Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Pridireko Mura Jane, and I hope you do click the subscription button down below so that you become a part of this family, and also click on your notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And to those of you who are already subscribed, guys, thank you all so much. So yeah guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys the tools and the products that you are going to need to start on this journey called makeup. So yeah guys, if you're interested in finding out what you need, please do stay tuned. So first things first, the first thing that I'm going to be recommending are these brushes from Signature. And guys, in these brushes you get everything that you need. So that is what they look like. And then the next thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is a beauty blender. Guys, this is good to blend out your foundations. I know you can use brushes, but this is my go-to, and I recommend this if you're a beginner, because when it comes to a brushes can leave like lines on your face, which in any case you'll have to go back and use a beauty blender afterwards. So rather you just go with a beauty blender. And then if you guys have been on this channel for a while, then you guys know that I like to start with my eyebrows, then to my eyes. So the next item on my list will be the eye kit. This is what I need for my eyes. So I am holding here the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate. And then I am holding over here the Essence Kajal Pencil Eyeliner in the color Black. And then I have here the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. And then to clean out my eyebrows, I have here the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool 10. So these are the eye pencils. And then this is the gel mascara. And then this is the Pro Concealer. And then next thing I'm going to be showing you are these Naked Matte eyeshadow palettes from Signature. That's how they look like. Open the other one. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous palettes. And then the next thing that I'm going to recommend is this Lash Princess mascara from Essence. 100% recommend this. Not that I don't recommend the other products 100%, but guys, if you are looking for a lash effect without having to wear eyelashes, she's got you. And then you will obviously need to outline your eyes with the Kajal eyeliner from Essence. And then now moving on to the face, you will first need to go with a primer, and I have here the Scarlet primer. Guys, I absolutely love this. Love it, recommend it 100%. And then next you are going to need a foundation, and I have here the Fit Me Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless foundation. The best, I really recommend this one. I use it. I love it. And then next you're going to have to highlight and contour, and I have here the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the shade Warm Honey for highlighting. And then for contouring I have this one over here, the Espresso, for contouring. Yeah guys, please do go in store and find out more about your shades. If you're my shade, then you are sorted. But then if you are not, please go into your stores and find out more about your shades. Now to set your highlights and contour, I recommend this Essence shading powder. Guys, when they say you are hitting 2 birds with 1 stone, this is what they are talking about. So as you can see, it's got your lighter shade and your darker shade. So this one here is obviously to set your highlights, and this one is to set your contour. Highly recommend this. Love it. With this one you don't need any loose powders, banana powders, you don't need them. You are sorted over here. And then I'm going to recommend this blush from Essence. Then the next thing that I'm going to recommend is this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder. Love it. And then the next thing that I'm going to recommend is this Essence lipstick. How gorgeous, how beautiful is this? And it's matte, and it's in the color matte number 3. It's in the color number 3. And then last but not least, you will need a setting spray, and I recommend this Scarlet Heel setting spray. Guys, how beautiful is that packaging? But then yeah, this is so girly, so pretty. Absolutely love it. I love what's inside, and I love the packaging as well. Everything that I have showed you guys is under 100 rands, but then I will be sure to leave everything down on the description box below with the prices on the products that I can remember the prices. But then if I can't remember the prices, don't worry, do not worry. I will be sure to leave the shops that I bought it from, and then you guys will know where to get it. But when I say under 100 bucks, I mean it. Yeah, one thing that is definitely not under 100 bucks will be your brushes and the foundation. So 2 things. So those are the 2 things. And then yeah guys, we have reached the end. Thank you so much for watching this video until this far. I really hope it was helpful. And yeah, don't forget to click the subscription button down below if you haven't done so already, and also click on your notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to give this video a like if you haven't done so already, guys. Please don't leave without hitting that like button. It's just down somewhere here, and it's like this. Just go ping on it, and then everything will be fine. Guys, thank you so much, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye guys.